Hello to you. This is Spooky and IsiZulu. Today our lesson is very interesting because it is related to what we have done on the first two videos. I guess we are fortunate by being South Africans because our languages are intertwined. There is a connection between IsiZulu, English and Afrikaans, hence borrowed words. In IsiZulu, borrowed words are called IMIFAKELA. How do we spell that? It is IMIFAKELA, IMIFAKELA. IsiZulu borrows from English for certain concepts and borrows from Afrikaans for other concepts. Do you remember what we did in the last video pertaining to the plural form? We said look around and observe what is next to you. We said if you see a carpet in your office, you can say amakapeti for ubuningi, because a plural form in English is ubuningi in IsiZulu, which is spelled as UBUNINGI. Now, let us try and collect every single word that has been borrowed from English. Again, what do you see in front of your eyes? Do you see a desk? That is called in IsiZulu desk. For a carpet, carpet. For a plastic, plastic. For a cupboard, ikhabethe. For a bed, umbhede. For a toilet, itoilethi. For a sheet, ishiti. For a jersey, ijezi. For a jacket, ijakhethi. For a pantyhose, amapantyhose noma ipantyhose. For a line, ulayini. For oil, uwoyela. For a heater, iheater. For a bottle, ibhodlela. For a tin, ithini. For fish, ufishi. For tea, itiye. For coffee, ikhofi. For sugar, ushukela. A curtain, amakhethini. A stage, isiteji. A window, iwindi. Now, let us use words that have been borrowed from Afrikaans. Daar is a book, a kat, a rock, a venster, a hemp. What do we call these items in IsiZulu? A hemp, ihembe. A rock, ilokwe. A cat, ikati. A venster, ifasitela. A tafel, itafula. A book, ibhuku. In IsiZulu, we do not have an R. If you say Arok and Afrikaans in IsiZulu, you will substitute the R with an L. You will say Ilogwe. In English, when you say a rand, I have 1 rand. In IsiZulu, you will substitute the R with L. You will say Ilandi. Now, let me challenge you to go and do some research and get as many borrowed words as possible. You can even keep a journal where you write these words and familiarize yourself with them. Thank you so much.